Professionnel rightly said, a woman who cuts her hair is about to change her life. With every new layer, every new highlight, every snip, every spray, a new person is born. Your hair is not just your crowning glory, it is an extension of your personality, and it has just as many moods as you do. And behind every fabulous makeover is a gifted hairdresser who perfectly understands hair and all its moods.
I think hair is oxygen for me. We have tried to achieve a little bit of ash tone while highlighting.
Most of them, they choose very intense color. They want to emphasize the shape through the color.
When I came to know that I got selected, the process started from that moment itself, that, how am I supposed to do the whole look in 3 hours, because it's a little complicated look. We named this theme as Narcissus Noir, which means the black daffodil.
It's one of the most striking looks I've seen.
There is a myth that, Indian hair cannot go cooler. So here's my effort to change that myth.
And this is something that you always wanted to do?
Initially, I was always a hotel management person, but because of some circumstances, I was not able to pursue that. Being a good Jew, you cannot pursue that because of the restrictions. Then at the same point of time, my cousin, she came up with a salon.
Okay.
And she told me, come around, have a look, you might start liking it. And then I started liking it. And that's how I started, pursuing it professionally. And it's been now 3 years. I'm working full-fledgedly on floor in Salon.
And the winner for the young colorist goes to 139 Heenal Shah, Splash the Salon.
I participated for young colorist category and I'm declared as winner. And obviously the feeling is awesome. There is no better feeling than this.